In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Paramount Plus using your Walmart Plus membership. This process is very quick and easy, so make sure you follow along. First, go ahead and open the official website, and once the page loads, you will be on the Paramount Plus homepage. From here, click sign in the top right corner, and here you need to note that you don't have to already have a Paramount Plus account to connect it with Walmart Plus, but creating one first will make the activation process much smoother. So if you don't have an account yet, create one. Now open the Walmart Plus website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to your account page, select Walmart Plus, and from there open the benefits hub. Inside the benefits section, look for the option that says video streaming with Paramount Plus. Click how streaming works, and now you will see a button that says get Paramount Plus. Go ahead and click on it. At this point, enter the same email address you use for your Paramount Plus account, confirm the details, and once confirmed, your account will be successfully linked to Walmart Plus. That's it. You can now start watching Paramount Plus using your Walmart Plus membership. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.